Hi guys, welcome to 3D coin collector game in Unity video tutorials series. In the previous videos, we understood how do we collect coins, increase score and display in UI. Also we understood when player overlaps with the obstacle, how to reduce the health and display it in the UI, right? I click on the play button. You can see now we can collect coins and score is incrementing and score is getting displayed in the UI, right? And when player overlaps with the obstacles, health is reducing. You can see that health is reducing when player overlaps with the obstacles. In this video, we are going to understand how do we switch to another level when health becomes less than or equal to 0. We understand how to switch to game over scene. How to switch to game over scene when health becomes less than or equal to 0. So let's get started. So what I do, I'm going to create one new scene. I say file, new scene. I select here basic built-in, create. You can see a new scene is created. I'm going to save it. I say file, save as. In the scenes folder, we have already sample scene, that is our level 1. And here I say game over scene. I save it. You can see game over scene is also created now. To switch from one scene to another scene, we should have those scenes in the build settings, guys. Okay, I go to file, go to build profiles, click on open scenes list. Here I'm going to add both the scenes. So I add sample scene and I add game over scene. You can see both the scenes we have added to our scenes list in the build profile, right? Great. Now we can switch from sample scene to game over scene when health becomes less than or equal to 0. For that, we have to write the code, guys. Let me go back to the sample scene. Okay, that's our level. And then I go back to the script. You can see here, if I go to player controller, here we are reducing the health, right? When player overlaps with the obstacle, we are reducing the health. So this is a place the health is reducing and it is updated in the UI. Just below this, I am going to write the code. If at any time the health becomes less than or equal to 0. At any time the health becomes less than or equal to 0. What should happen? Of course, it should go to the game over scene. It should switch to game over scene. So for that we use scene manager. So there is a class we have scene manager. In that we have load scene. So there is a method called as load scene and you can see it takes the scene name. It takes the scene name. So in double quotations, I say it should go to game over scene. Game over scene. You can see I have written here game over scene and this name should be exactly same, guys. Okay, if I go back, this is our scene name. I'm going to copy it. I copy it and come back to the script and paste here so that there should not be any problem. Game over scene. I save this one. I go back. Now let's play. You can see now I go forward. Okay, collecting the coins. You can see I'm collecting coins. And when I overlap, you can see the health is reducing. At any time, the health becomes less than or equal to 0. It switches to game over scene. You see, we have 75, 50, 25. And when health becomes 0, you see it immediately switched to game over scene. You can clearly observe it has switched to game over scene. So that is how you can switch from one scene to another scene using this simple line called scene manager.load scene and give the scene name. Okay, at any condition you can switch from one scene to another scene. This scene manager is within this namespace called scene management. You have to use it. If it is not added, you get the error, guys. So you say using Unity Engine scene management. It will get automatically added. If it is not added automatically, you should write this. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys have clearly understood how to switch from one level to another level, how to switch to game over scene when health becomes less than or equal to 0. I suggest you people to try this yourself. If you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep gaming, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.